In this video, we'll show you exactly how to set up membership payments in LearnWorlds, one of the most popular online course platforms. If you've been wondering how to set it up efficiently, you're in the right place. Stick around till the end because not only will we cover the LearnWorlds setup, but I'll also share some alternatives that might actually be a better fit for your goals. First, let's talk about the basic process in LearnWorlds. To get started, you need to be logged into your LearnWorlds admin account. From your dashboard, head over to the Settings section, which you'll find on the bottom left. This is where you'll manage most of your platform settings, including the membership payments. Next, let's dive into the Payments tab under Settings. Here you'll be able to configure the payment gateway for your membership. The two most popular gateways supported by LearnWorlds are Stripe and PayPal. You'll want to choose one of these if you haven't already. Both options are widely used and trusted, but keep in mind, they each have their fees, and depending on where your audience is, you might want to consider which one will serve you best. The third thing to keep in mind when setting up payments is defining your pricing structure. With LearnWorlds, you have a few options. You can set a one-time payment, a recurring subscription, or even a free membership. To set this up, go to the Pricing Plans section under Products and create a new plan for your course or membership. From there, you'll be able to set a monthly or yearly payment frequency for your membership program. You can also offer discounts or create special offers for different membership tiers. The fourth thing you need to know is how to manage membership access once a user subscribes. LearnWorlds gives you the ability to limit access to certain content based on the membership level, which is great for delivering exclusive content to paying members only. You can do this by setting access rules in the course or membership product settings. Now, let's talk about a key feature, LearnWorlds reporting tools. You'll want to keep an eye on your payments and membership stats. So under the Reports tab, you can monitor how much revenue is coming in, how many users have subscribed to your plans, and even track failed payments. This is useful for managing your memberships effectively and avoiding any hiccups with payments. But here's the thing, while LearnWorlds is a solid platform for setting up membership payments, it's not without its limitations. For example, the customization options for the payment flow aren't as flexible as some users might like, and if you have complex pricing structures, you might find it a little restrictive. Plus, its reporting isn't as detailed or intuitive as it could be. That's why, if you're looking for something a bit more user-friendly or with better flexibility, I'd recommend checking out a couple of alternatives. The platform I'd suggest is Thinkific, which offers similar features with better customization, especially in terms of payment options and ease of use. Now, before you go, I've got something special for you. If you sign up through our link, not only will you get an exclusive extended free trial of LearnWorlds, but you'll also be able to explore some of the best alternatives with their own free trials, which could potentially be a better fit for your needs. Don't miss out on the best deals available only to our viewers. That's it for today's tutorial. Make sure to check out the links in the description for those exclusive deals. Happy course building!